it's me, Lisa, and I have a fun and easy DIY project for you today, just in time for Valentine's Day or spring. Today I wanted to show you how easy it is to make some really pretty balls that are basically flowers. So yes, this is a flower ball. You can make them in red, you can make them in white, whatever color you want. You can use any type of flowers that you have. And the best part is how affordable these flower balls are to make. So what I have to make these flower balls is my trusty glue gun, glue stick, these little practice golf balls that you can get at Walmart for $1.97 for 12 of them, and then just a bunch of dollar store flowers. These just happen to be a cream colored rose, and this is so much fun. This is basically how the flowers are going to become the ball. So you just put them in the holes that are on the golf ball. First, you put the glue on the back of your flower. And then you just insert the flower into one of the holes. How easy is that? And then you just fill up all of the holes with the flower heads. And each of these bunches of flowers had 6 or 7 different individual flowers on them. And to make one of the flower balls, it did take me 3 bunches of flowers, which were $1 because I got them at Dollar Tree. So it was $3 for the flowers, and like I said, $1.97 for 12 of the practice golf balls. So this is what it's like, speeded up so you can see how easy it is to make these little flower balls. And like I said, you can do whatever type of flowers you want. You can do whatever color you want. I just happen to use the cream colored ones because I'm going to show you how to make a really easy springtime floral decoration or display. And I just really like this color of flower. See, there's the little flower balls. And this is what I decided to do with the flower balls. They are going to go into my long box, and then I'm just filling up the empty spaces with some different type of greenery and baby's breath that I got from Amazon. And I will leave links down below in case you wanted to duplicate something like this. It's really not hard, and all of these flowers are really affordable. And this is what it looks like when it's all done. Isn't that pretty? Isn't that fun and spring-like? I hope you found this video helpful and it inspired you to go and make your own floral balls or floral decorations, floral display. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.